In this session, we're going to look at another list file that loads automatically, just as you would expect. Hello everyone, I'm Grant. Welcome to the BricsCAD Lab. Let me show you how. Last session, I showed you the onStart list file, which loads with the first drawing of every BricsCAD session. I showed you how to display settings at the command line, just as you would expect. The onDocLoad list file is similar, but it loads with every drawing that gets loaded or a new drawing. Let's take a look. Here I have loaded up a new drawing. Now remember the settings displayed from the onStart list? They're still there. And now we have a message from the onDocLoad list file. And here are the instructions. An acknowledgement of the load, similar to that of the onStart list, and a confirmation of the drawing name. Now, if I load another drawing, similar displays, but the obvious updated drawing name. No new displays from the onStart list. Consider what is possible by being able to give further instructions to BricsCAD by knowing the drawing name. Send commands to update drawing elements. Perhaps send data to an external source. You may even be doing something similar right now. Both the onStart and onDoc list files give the same powerful functionality available in your current CAD environment and make a migration to BricsCAD smooth and comfortable. Well, that's another session of the BricsCAD Lab all done and dusted. Don't forget to download your free 30-day trial and see for yourself what BricsCAD has to offer. I'm Grant. Thanks for joining me here today in the BricsCAD Lab. We'll see you next time. And if you're interested in learning more, let me show you how.